Flying Donkey Creative. Today we're going to be doing some tutorials, and the first thing we're going to cover is how to turn on your machine, the different types of parameters that come about the machine, and how to get a job started. With the easy accessibility of our power source, we're going to go ahead and turn this on. So there's a big old switch right here. Turn that on and it's going to go ahead and start warming up. So at the moment, after we've turned our machine on, it's going to go ahead and start loading, and there's going to be a loading screen for about 10 seconds. There it goes. Now it's ready to begin the warm-up spindle process. All right, the next step in our warming up the machine, there's going to be two buttons you're going to want to press on this. You're going to want to push shift and hard home, and it's going to initialize spindle. And if you look down there, the spindle has opened. It was originally closed, it has opened now. So that's gonna take a second to load. Loading, we're gonna come down here, and if there are any tools in your machine, you're gonna want to press this little button, and it's gonna release your tool, and you're gonna want to put this back in your holster. Whatever holster you're using, whatever tools you assign, that's where you're gonna want to put it back. After you have put all your tools back in the holster down there at the other end of the table, and the initialize spindle option has gone away, it's going to say turn all tools to tool holder, which we have done. So you're going to want to go ahead and press enter. Look down there. And after you do that, finding X and finding Y is what your home is going to do, and it's going to work its way down here. So our machine is almost homed itself, and typically while this is happening, I'll just clean up any little messes that I have, or I'll prepare whatever I need to do next with in routes or whatever, because this thing does take a little bit of time. So the last thing that you want to do for warming up your machine, after your machine has homed itself, you're going to get an option that says run warm-up spindle. Run spindle warm-up. You're going to want to press tool 8. Tool 8 is always the tool you want to use to warm up. So we press number 8. Go ahead and press enter. If you look over here, it's going to go ahead and grab tool 8. This warm-up will take about 6 minutes. And it's going to run at each RPM. So it'll do 600 or 6,000, 12,000, and then 18,000. That is the end of the warming up the machine tutorial.